The allure of the pinwheel flower, my experience with Tabernaemontana divaricata. For years, I've been captivated by the sight of cascading white blooms in fragrant nighttime gardens. Little did I know, the culprit behind this intoxicating beauty was the Tabernaemontana divaricata, or pinwheel flower. Intrigued by its delicate pinwheel-shaped petals and lush foliage, I decided to embark on a journey cultivating this tropical wonder in my own humble abode. See more 126 species in genus Tabernaemontana at monsteraholic.com. Unveiling the pinwheel flower's majesty. The Tabernaemontana divaricata is an evergreen shrub, native to the balmy regions of South and Southeast Asia. It boasts an impressive versatility, thriving as both a captivating outdoor shrub in warmer climates and an elegant houseplant in cooler zones. Its crown jewel? Undoubtedly the clusters of fragrant, white blooms that unfurl throughout the year, particularly at night, filling the air with a sweet, intoxicating perfume. Tabernaemontana divaricata versus Pageantha decatoma. I've grown Tabernaemontana divaricata in my garden, and I love how its glossy, dark green leaves and fragrant white flowers make it a standout plant. On the other hand, Pageantha decatoma, which I tried out last season, didn't impress me as much. Its flowers were less vibrant and it seemed to struggle in my climate. How large will Tabernaemontana divaricata grow? If you're envisioning a towering giant, the Tabernaemontana divaricata might surprise you. As a shrub, its growth typically ranges from 3 to 10 feet tall, with a similar spread. However, in ideal conditions, it can reach heights of up to 15 feet. This manageable size makes it a perfect choice for container gardening, allowing you to control its growth and enjoy its beauty indoors. How to care for pinwheel flower. The Tabernaemontana divaricata thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Imagine it basking in the dappled light filtering through a canopy of trees. While it can tolerate some direct sun, especially in cooler mornings, avoid harsh afternoon rays that can scorch the leaves. When it comes to watering, aim for a happy medium. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly before providing a thorough watering. Soggy soil is a foe to this plant, so ensure proper drainage in your pot. During winter months, you can reduce watering frequency. For optimal growth, a well-draining potting mix is key. A combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark can provide the ideal balance of aeration and moisture retention. Feeding your pinwheel flower with a balanced fertilizer every few months during the growing season will keep it happy and flourishing. Propagating the pinwheel flower's magic. The beauty of the Tabernaemontana divaricata is that it can be easily propagated from stem cuttings. Here's how to cultivate your own fragrant haven. Select a healthy, non-flowering stem with at least a few nodes, the bumps where leaves emerge. Using sharp, sterile pruners, make a clean cut just below a node at a 45-degree angle. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a few nodes exposed. Dip the cut end in a rooting hormone, optional but can encourage faster root growth. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Water thoroughly and keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Place the pot in a location with bright, indirect sunlight. Be patient. Rooting can take several weeks. A word of caution: the allure and the hidden thorns. While the Tabernaemontana divaricata offers undeniable charm, it's important to be aware that all parts of the plant are considered toxic. The milky sap it exudes can irritate skin and eyes, and ingestion can cause serious health problems. Therefore, exercise caution when handling the plant and keep it out of reach of children and pets. Beyond beauty, unveiling traditional uses. Traditionally, the Tabernaemontana divaricata has held significance in certain cultures for its potential medicinal properties. However, it's crucial to remember that these uses haven't been extensively studied by modern science. Important disclaimer: I am not a medical professional, and this article is not intended to provide medical advice. Consult with a qualified healthcare provider before using any part of the Tabernaemontana divaricata for medicinal purposes. The enduring enchantment of the pinwheel flower. The Tabernaemontana divaricata has woven its magic into my life, offering a touch of the tropics within my home. From its captivating blooms to its fragrant allure, it's a constant source of delight. With proper care and a touch of patience, you too can cultivate this enchanting plant and experience the magic of the pinwheel flower.